Penny and Andrew, look at the gardening. Look at that mad garden. Because I know you're mad for the gardens. Over there. Look how they've done their, almost like you, Mum, with their weave. See their things on sticks or whatever. Oh, I'm not even looking at what I'm doing anymore. I'm not even looking at what I'm filming. You see right there in the distance there's some more gardening. Look at that. Floating gardening. I think it's the future, or the past. And that was a crash. Quite interesting enough, caught on camera. Oh, and here we have this little fella. That's actually, I don't think I can see what that is. So distant. Kingfisher, that's a kingfisher. There you go. On camera. So far on, can't hold camera. Come on. There's a kingfisher. Oh, come on, focus in. Don't be a... damn it, focus. No, damn. It's the weirdest video in the creation of the world. Oh, and more gardening. There we go. I'm going to leave it at that. There we are. It's probably the worst video made on this trip so far.